Alright, so I'm Stephen Berg. Now, when I think of Australia, I think of these two cute and cuddly creatures, the koala and the kangaroo. Now, these creatures are often used in media to display a cute and cuddly animal, often used as stuffed animals or in animations. Now, we might also have heard about these two animals due to their association with the wildfires in Australia. Now, these wildfires ravaged Australia last year, accounting for 26 deaths, according to Procon.com, and amounted for 2,000 lost homes and 5,000 total koalas being killed due to these fires. Now, you might have also heard that 1 billion animals in total were affected by these wildfires, amounting for a total amount of 113 species being affected. But you haven't really heard about those other 111 species. What we have seen on social media has mainly been about the koala and the kangaroo, not so much about other species such as the water skink or the fruit. Now, these two animals were affected by the Australian wildfires, and they are now on the endangered species list because of the effects that these wildfires have had on their environments. Now, the fires have drastically affected all of these species, not just the koalas and the kangaroos. But it's due to their unfamiliarity with our society that they are not used in social media. They are not used on news sites. And because of this, they are not getting nearly as much support as the kangaroos and koalas. Now, not just these two species, but all 111 of those species. And it's just because that we are familiar with the kangaroo and the koala, even though these species play a huge part in every environment that they're in. Now, according to Smithsonian Magazine Online, published in 2017 by Diego Verissimo, two factors influence the World Wildlife Foundation donor's choice: the animal's appeal and the degree of the threat of their extinction. No matter how they were described or presented, the most appealing species drew more donations. And this was probably because people already knew and liked them. I mean, that pretty much says it right there. It's all about familiarity. We know a species, we're more likely to donate to it. If we know someone that we're associated with, we are more likely to help them than, say, a stranger. Now, to balance this cute side of extinction, the Zoological Society of London created a program called Edge of Existence that features all the less appealing endangered animals, such as the blobfish. Now, the blobfish has become popular due to, as you can see, it being used in social media as memes. It was voted as the world's ugliest animal and is a bottom feeder of the ocean where it eats small creatures and keeps its ecosystem in check. Now, this has also inspired other ugly animal donation sites called the Ugly Animal Preservation Society that even has this blobfish as its main mascot. Now, this site features some of the oddest endangered animals, but like the blobfish, these odd animals are an important member of our ecosystem. Now, another animal that we might not have heard so much about is the proboscis monkey. Now, this monkey's nose is actually what makes it seem attractive to its female counterparts. The bigger the nose, the more attractive it is considered to the female. But the size of its nose is actually why it's not getting nearly as many donations as other animals. It is a monkey, it has fur, it has a cute orange color, but it's not nearly as recognized as many other monkey species. And even though this monkey still plays a vital role in the ecosystem that it lives in. In the forests of Southeast Asia, according to Scholastic News, these monkeys help forests grow by spreading their seeds in their feces. Without these monkeys, deforestation would have a much bigger impact on that area. Now, another featured ugly animal is the aa in Madagascar. According to Duke Lemur Center website, the aa is considered to be the strangest primate in their world. In fact, their unusual appearance made them bad luck for villagers, which landed them on the endangered species list because villagers would harm them. Yet their weird adaptations, like their skeletal fingers, as you can see, make it easy for them to catch and eat beetles. And without this, the beetle population would grow. Beetles would eat through all the forest wood, and then mice and other animals would lose their shelters and trees. So, in conclusion, due to the familiarity that we have in the media, animals such as the koala and the kangaroo are generating much more support than many other endangered animal species. Yet programs like EDGE and Ugly Animal Preservation Society are changing this format by promoting all animals, cute and ugly. All living things serve a purpose,